I am going to be doing a giveaway on this hair, guys. Trendy Tresses sent me 4 additional bundles.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another crochet braids tutorial, only I'm doing this amazing company by Trendy Tresses, and the hair that I'm going to be using, or the curl pattern, is called the River Curls. And I'm just gonna show you how I installed the hair. Okay, these are the pieces that I'm using. This is what it's looking like so far in the back, just to give you guys an idea. Okay, so I'm pushing my tool through my hair, through my braid, and I'm just placing the hair into the loophole and letting it loose, and I'm tying about 4 knots into this hair, being that it's very, very silky, and that's not necessarily a downfall for me. You just have to be aware of that, okay, if you don't want the hair to come loose. So I'm repeating it, trying to show you how I do it without using a mirror, because I was not using a mirror. I was literally looking in my viewfinder at this point. The hair that I did in the back, I did stand in the mirror to do that, but I usually like to do as much as I can before I start to record. Okay. By the way, it was very easy for me to separate that hair. All I had to do was just wash my hand through water and then stroke my fingers through the hair. The hair color that I decided to go with, honestly, I typically like to just use hair that's lighter than my natural hair. Now, let me be real honest. For the longest time, I thought that my hair was actually the same exact color. Okay, so truthfully, I ordered the wrong color because I thought that this was my natural hair color. It's not, okay? My hair is darker. It's obviously darker. But I ended up loving the way that this chocolatey brown turned out. You know what? It's actually inspired me to try blonde next time. I'm trying blonde next time. So here's my invisible knot method. I'm using the exact same method that I have always used. Well, I have been using since I have been crocheting my hair. So I'm just pulling the hair through using my tool, and I'm taking one side of that hair and I am knotting it about 3 to 4 times for security, like so. And then I'm just going to separate smaller pieces from each side to create tree knots. And I've created 2 for security as well. And so that is the end of the installation. Okay, now we're just moving on to cutting the hair and layering the hair. I do not like to just leave the hair as is when I'm done. I like to frame it around my face, give it more life. You know what I'm saying? When I cut and I layer, I just cut down in an angle, just like that. And it turns out just like this, okay?
Doesn't it feel good to be a queen just for one night? Baby, you're so bright. Stay shining that light.
1 week later, let's show and tell how we maintain the hair. So I like to pull apart the curls, just like any of my other crochet styles that I have done in the past. I like to just separate the curls to give it more volume. And for my scalp, I like to use my castor oil every 3 days, okay, of course for growth. And then I also use my almond oil.
Alright guys, so you saw my first half and the second half of this video. Second half was just of me maintaining the hair after having it in for about a week. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so tomorrow is actually going to be a week that I've had the hair in. This hair is the bomb, okay? It's nice and silky, and I think the only thing that kind of sucks about the silkiness of the hair is the fact that tying it in a knot, it's not really bound to stay. So just make sure you knot it about 4 or even 5 times, just depending on you. But between 3 to 5 times, knotting the hair will be perfect. The curl pattern of this hair is called river curls, and I actually kept this style pretty long. Usually I like to cut the hair to about here and, you know, kind of rock like a fro-ish type of big hair thing, but not this time. I wanted it to be pretty long. It goes to probably close to my butt down there somewhere. And the way that I cut it, I also cut it, I layered it. I layered the hair. I don't like for it to have like that bold look once it's done. I like for it to look as natural as possible, okay? If I'm gonna be wearing crochet braids, okay, as possible. I'm not saying that it looks natural. I'm just saying that I would like for the hair to look as natural as possible. I did do the invisible part, but as you can see, I took a majority of the hair and flopped it over to my right. I don't like neat hair. I don't. This is where the invisible part is, right here, originally, okay? But it just wasn't enough for me, so I just, you know, just took the rest of it over and then bam, you know, just bam, you know, had that one eye, you know what I'm saying? Am I giving you Janet Jackson vibes with this hair from like, I don't know, like the late 90s? Am I not? It's late 90s, early 2000s. What you think? Anyways, guys, I want to let you know that I'm going to be doing a little surprise. I am going to be doing a giveaway on this hair, guys. Oh my gosh, a giveaway. Trendy Tresses sent me 4 additional bundles so that I could do a giveaway just for you guys. And look, I'm glad. I am more than glad to do this giveaway. If there's anyone out there who can do crochet braid cornrows and can crochet, this giveaway is for you, boo-boo. Like in my case, you know, you can always go to somebody, and if you know how to do the installation of the hair using the tool, or you can just watch the tutorials that I've done or anybody else's. There's so many on the tube. They sent me 4 bundles. I only used less than 3.5 bundles of the hair, okay? Because this is how much I have left, okay? This is almost 1 bundle. I used about this much from the 4th bundle. The color of the hair that I used for myself, it's like a nice chocolatey brown. The additional bundles that they sent me are black. This is the black hair. It's so rich. It's so beautiful. Look at that. It's just waiting to be installed in one of your heads. On to the next part, your favorite part, guys. The rules. So the rules to this giveaway are going to be for you guys to first subscribe to this channel, and then you're going to leave a comment down below of your Instagram name so that I can see who is following me on my Instagram, okay? And it'll help me to select the winners easily. And by the way, I'm going to be selecting the winners at random. And then I want you to go over and follow me on my Instagram at loveannette2. Trendy Tresses. I want you to go over and I want you to follow Trendy Tresses on their Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll catch you in my next video, okay? All right, bye.